Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to make this object. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay, then go to here, image is selected, then go to the feature, select the extruder boss and take the front plane. Go to the circle and it will be 20 millimeters. Exit it, and it will be 25. Okay, then go to the top plane, go to the reference geometry and plane, it will be 10 millimeters. Okay, then control it for normal plane, go to the sketch and select the center line, draw a center line, then line is taken here, here, here and here, then select it, then go to the smart dimension, here to here it will be 4, and here to here it will be also 4, and go to the go to the fillet and it will be 5, and it will be also 5. Go down, then go to the offset, click here and it will be 2. Okay, reverse the chain is selected, then go to here and join to this point, okay, close it, then go to the feature, select the rep command, click on this sketch and another click is body, 1 millimeter is depth and debouch selected. Okay, done. Then go to the mirror and go to here and take the right plane, click here. Okay, done. Then go to here and select the glass, this glass is taken. Okay, and this color is taken. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.